Okay, this is a Jabsco electric toilet for my boat. It's got the turn knob right on top. Okay, make sure you're wearing gloves for this. This is gonna get a little dirty, especially when you take it off of the boat. You're gonna take off the 4 bolts right at the bottom. You're also gonna have to disconnect the back pipe back here. Ignore all the red. I guess the old owner decided to throw some, looks like gasket maker on there to try to stop the leaking that was going on with this particular unit. So right now we're going to do a rebuild on this, okay? Buy one of these rebuild kits online, and then hopefully we're going to stop the leaking. So, okay, there's going to be 4 bolts on the bottom, flat heads, and then you also have the actual blade that spins around for the macerator. You're going to have to take that off with a nut as well, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I have this apart right now. So this is one of the gaskets that we're going to be replacing over here. Okay, there's the impeller in there. And then when we separate this, these 2 sections right here, there's also going to be another gasket right there. And then I sprayed this whole thing in Clorox bleach cleaner because this is just a disgusting project considering what goes in here. So make sure you got some cleaner on standby. I'm also soaking the actual macerator blade also in some cleaner. Keep in mind, there's going to be 2 bolts that are longer than the rest. Okay, make sure you mark which holes these ones come out of because they have to go back in the same hole in order to screw into the upper housing. You can mark it with like a Sharpie or something on the bottom. You can also see that the impeller on this was completely just brittle and shot. No wonder why this thing wasn't working. Okay, now assembling the bottom is pretty self-explanatory. Just swapped out this guy, came with the kit. Okay, spring side goes down. Pop that bad boy in there. Then we're going to be able to slide this back up. Again, replace the striker plate. New impeller in there. Okay, and the new washer that goes right up on top. Right up here. Okay, that's going to slide straight up. And then you'll be able to go assemble the whole bottom, and then we'll take apart the top up here. Okay, we're on the top part now. The top switch is just 1 screw, pops off. Then take all these screws out, including these guys right here. That pops open. Okay, we're going to be replacing that gasket. You can also do the switch if need be. It comes with a new switch. And then you're also going to need to change out this impeller as well. I forgot to tell you for the earlier one, there is an arrow indicating which way this impeller spins. You can also just pay attention to which way the fins are facing and just duplicate what's already there. There's also going to be 2 more bolts here and here, and then once those are out, you'll be able to get underneath here and replace this. Yeah, it's not focusing very well. There we go. You'll be able to replace this last black piece, and then button it all up, and then you're good to go. That is the service kit serial number, and that is the actual replacement for the pump handle to make it electric. Those are the model numbers that we were doing today.